Ever thought how much easier and safer driving could be with a smart dash cam watching your back? Welcome to Flicky Facts. Imagine a device that captures your surroundings in stunning resolution, rotates 360 degrees, detects motion, and connects straight to your phone. Let's talk about the 70mai Omni X200 Dash Cam and see if it's the game changer your car needs. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the 70mai Omni X200 car dash camera, a car charger, a power cord, a wiring trim tool, an electrostatic sticker, a user manual, and an adhesive sticker. If you want to grab the 70mai Omni X200 Dash Cam from Amazon, just tap the link in the description below. Product overview. Power button, upper button, lower button. Adhesive sticker, mount, microphone, display screen, camera, speaker. Power port, round-shaped indicator, and tripod head. Smart features. Even at high speeds, it flawlessly captures every moment with ultra-smooth precision. Drive safer with super sensing ADAS system, lane departure alert, front car alert, pedestrian alert. Exclusive technology that enhances visual clarity with adaptive auto exposure. Selective image processing for highlighting key details like license plates. Exclusive technology that produces clearer nighttime images with less noise, balanced exposure, and improved glare control. Even the license plates in the distance are clear and distinguishable. An industry-first technology designed for parking surveillance that ensures clear visibility in near-total darkness, solving common issues of unclear video playback in low-light conditions like dim parking garages or pitch-black streets. The next-generation AI Motion Detection 2.0, driven by our latest self-developed AI algorithm and dual Hall effect sensors, offers enhanced silky smooth rotation and precise human targeting. The 4G connectivity ensures uninterrupted communication with your vehicle from any location. Installation. Mount the dash cam in one of the recommended positions of the front windshield as appropriate, near the center of the rear view mirror, on the front of the passenger seat. Make sure the camera is below the level line of the rear view mirror. Clean the selected area and attach the electrostatic sticker to the selected position. Press the sticker to remove air bubbles. Avoid the edge of the windshield and select a flat and smooth area for the installation. Keep the windshield clean and dry to prevent the sticker from losing adhesion and dashcam from dropping. Paste the dashcam on the electrostatic sticker. Make sure the gap on the adhesive sticker aligns with that on the electrostatic sticker, and the display screen faces the car interior. Plug the car charger into the cigarette lighter socket, then plug the power cord with the dash cam and check if it turns on normally. Route the power cord to the vehicle's power outlet. Use the included wiring trim tool to hide the power cord underneath the vehicle's headliner and rubber seal along the A-pillar. Hardwiring the dash cam. First, turn your ignition off. Then find the cabin compartment fuse box in your vehicle. You can look for the exact location of your fuse box from the vehicle's user manual. Once you've found the cabin fuse box, proceed with the following steps. Step 1. Connect the hardwire kit to the device, then neatly tuck the cable along the edge of the headliner for a clean and secure installation. Step 2. Use a multimeter to test the fuses in your vehicle. Identify one that supplies constant power even when the engine is off, and another accessory fuse that only provides power when the engine is running. The VCC fuse should provide 12 volts even when the vehicle is off, while the ACC fuse should supply 12 volts only when the vehicle is running and no voltage when the car is turned off. Avoid using specific fuses like SRS, airbag, ABS, anti-lock braking system, or ECU, engine control unit, to prevent potential damage to your vehicle. Instead, use spare or unused fuse slots in the fuse box whenever possible. You can safely use non-critical fuses like the cigarette lighter, radio, or interior lights for accessory power connections. Step 3. Route the red VCC plus wire to the identified constant power fuse and secure the connection using an add-a-fuse tap or appropriate terminal method. Fuse taps are directional. The outer metal prong of the fuse tap is where power comes in. This prong must connect to the powered terminal in the fuse box, meaning the outer prong of the fuse tap should align with the metal contact in the fuse slot that supplies power. Step 4. Route the yellow ACC plus wire to a switched power fuse, ACC, using a fuse tap, ensuring the circuit is energized only when the ignition is in the ACC or run position. Step 5. Route the ground wire to a clean, unpainted metal bolt on the vehicle's chassis and securely fasten it to ensure a solid ground connection. Set up with app. Scan the QR code to download and install the app, or search for 70mai in the App Store or Google Play to download and install it. Open the app and tap the plus sign on the home page. In the Bluetooth scanning result list, tap the DashCam's name, same as the DashCam Wi-Fi name, and then confirm the authorization on the DashCam. When connected, the DashCam's homepage displays. You can view the live video and configure the DashCam settings. Safety precautions. Installing or uninstalling the mount. Uninstalling the mount. Hold the DashCam and screw it clockwise, and then the DashCam will separate with the mount. Installing the mount, align the microphone with the unlock icon on the mount, and the DashCam is inserted into the mount. Hold the DashCam and screw counterclockwise until the microphone is aligned with the lock icon on the mount, and then the DashCam is tightened up with the mount. Button functions. Voice commands. specifications? That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your 70mai Omni X200 Dash Cam. See you in the next one.